mentality of a runaway slave. We alive, but we digging our own grave.
I said hats off, and let this be the last straw. I'm sick and tired of having to sneak in through the back door. Scratch that, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. How you not gonna give me mine every time I rip a line? I haven't seen the limelight, and I write mine. Rappers that base their whole careers off of white lies. A ghost rider been why he's so nice, and the time he spit some of his lines, there's no concept. You're not sick, you're looking for a day off, and I'm losing sight of the game. Call me Ray Charles, got me thinking I should try to go AWOL and randomly slide in the first, so let's play ball. I stand ready with a Louisville slugger and a great amount of courage that few could still muster. Cause I'm nice and I was poised to shine. Grab your aviator shades, keep your pupils still covered. People still love it, cause I'm showing differences. The difference is when I spit, I'm actually making sense. Stay synonymous to syllabic lyricists, looking for radio play and they're making hits. Non-conformity with all of you conforming to. Your fan base is screaming death of the auto-tune. I would form crowds if I wasn't audible and rap losing out. So I choose to applaud the few who stayed part of it. Didn't become narcissists that beef about cars, whips, and insufficient arguments. I ordered this celebrities who are poor and Christian probably get their lines from a star to get a bars to spit. Superheroes with draped capes and face paint, putting stars in check, fake bakes. Grab your AKs, we're looking for some wave slaves. When we drop, we bring the dynamite. JJ, I've been here to provide them facts, but you like sing-alongs and campfire raps. The difference between you and I is that I can rap and I don't brag about designer bags. Besides the fact that these guys are whack, it took me 15 minutes just to write this track. Tell me how you liking that, bitch.